In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage users in Smartsheet step by step. Whether you want to share a sheet with your team, control permission levels, or update who has access, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Managing users properly is essential if you're collaborating on projects and want to keep your data secure and organized. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Smartsheet in your browser and navigate to the specific sheet where you want to manage users. You can do this from your home dashboard, your recent files, or any workspace where the sheet is stored. Once you're inside the sheet, make sure you're in the main grid view so you can see all your rows and columns clearly. This confirms you're working inside the correct file before changing any sharing settings. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where all user access and permissions for the sheet are controlled. When you click it, a sharing panel will open, showing you who currently has access to the sheet. If the sheet hasn't been shared yet, this panel may be mostly empty, except for your own name as the owner. Inside the Share panel, you can add new users by entering their email addresses in the Invite field. Type in the email of the person you want to give access to. After entering the email, you'll need to choose their permission level. This is very important because Smartsheet allows different levels of access depending on what you want that person to be able to do. You can typically choose between viewer, commenter, editor, or admin. A viewer can only see the sheet but cannot make changes. A commenter can view and leave comments but still cannot edit rows. An editor can make changes to the sheet, update rows, and modify data. An admin has higher-level permissions, including the ability to manage sharing settings. Choose the permission level that matches the role of the person you're inviting. After selecting the correct permission level, click Share or Send Invite. The user will receive an email notification letting them know they now have access to the sheet. They can click the link in their email to open it directly in their Smartsheet account. If you want to manage existing users, stay inside the same Share panel. You'll see a list of everyone who already has access. Next to each name, there is usually a drop-down menu showing their current permission level. Click on that drop-down to change their role. For example, you can upgrade someone from viewer to editor if they need to start making updates, or you can downgrade permissions if you want to limit access. If you need to remove someone entirely, look for the Remove option, often represented by an X or a remove link next to their name. Click it, confirm the action, and that user will no longer have access to the sheet. This is especially useful when team members leave a project or when you need to tighten security. You may also see sharing options related specifically to the sheet itself. Make sure you're managing permissions at the sheet level if that's your goal. If your sheet is part of a larger workspace, remember that workspace permissions can also affect access, so keep that in mind when troubleshooting user visibility issues. Once you've finished adding, updating, or removing users, simply close the Share panel. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no extra save button required. It's always a good idea to double-check the list one more time to ensure everyone has the correct permission level. And that's it. That's how you manage users in Smartsheet quickly and efficiently. As you can see, everything is controlled directly from the Share button, making it simple to collaborate while keeping full control over access. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.